Hi everyone. I'm going to do a flip through of this very large Halloween Edgar Allen Poe Journal that I made along with my daughter Catherine and my sister-in-law last year, and we just had a fun crafting day, and each of us created a really cool journal. This one is crammed full, and I'm going to go kind of fast so that I can show you everything. This is many layers of fabric with this black feather, and I just thought it gave it a really creepy look. And there's this old rusty key, and there are, let's see, 3 signatures in here. And there are items from a kit that my sister-in-law bought, and there's also, this is fabric. And so there are a lot of Edgar Allan Poe things in here, and I won't pull everything out, but and there are some pictures from a bunch of vintage things that I actually own as well, and lots of lace, lots of tuck spots. It just turned out really fun, and we each made what we considered pretty creepy style journals, which was really so much fun. This is a fabric flip. And fabric there. Little fabric envelope. More fabric flips. Old rusty key. We made collages up using cutouts or things we tore out of magazines, and this is one of them that I think this is one that I made, and then scanned it and printed it as paper. And some old lace, and some more fabric flips. Cute little spider. It goes on and on. It's a really big journal. And so much fun to look at, especially as we're coming up on the season. And you start thinking about Halloween. And Catherine did this where she wove the paper in and out. And then you can see that's all woven paper. And lots of fabric flips in here. That's a scan that I made with some lace that I had. This is a print that I made. That's my hand. That's my hand. And a knife. There's a letter opener, actually, but it looked like a knife. Lots of fun corner tucks. There's some old, I think that's cheesecloth on there that was tea dyed, excuse me. Okay. Fabric on the edge. And there's a double corner tuck spot. Another one there. And here we are coming to the end. The end. And there, the end. Alrighty. Oh, October 2019 is when we made this one. And that's fabric. And there's the back. And that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.